Beats is known for its high-quality bass-heavy headphones with expensive price. Back in the days when Beats is the most hyped brand of headphones. Now it's 2020. Do you think it's still worth it? Let's check it out. This Beats EP priced around 4,990 pesos at the Apple website. This is one of the cheapest headphones you can get. It comes in color red, white, black, and blue. Inside the box is a velvet pouch, some manuals, and the Beats on-ear headphone. This headphone design is a typical minimal style of Beats with iconic rounded ear cups with Beats icon on both sides. Now let's check the build quality of this bad boy. Overall quality looks premium. The headphone is made of soft leather ear cups that fit snugly on your ears. The soft ear cups is relatively comfortable to the ears. It has a stainless steel frame with a good clamp on both sides. Unless you have a bigger head, it will be a bit tight. The headphone is adjustable up or down, but there's no lock levels on the adjustments. The bottom part of the headband is made of leather, but not soft as the ear cups. Top part is made of matte plastic with Beats written on it. It has a button control for skipping and pausing the music. Double-clicking the up button will play the previous music. Button down will play the next music. Long press will activate Google Voice command for Android. You can also use this for answering calls. The sound quality of this headphone is nice. It has a clean sound on vocals and instruments. The bass is really good. So even if you're not into bass, you'll enjoy listening to this. I tested it out on modern, rock, mainstream music. Vocals are clear. The mids and the highs are also good. I'm not an expert with audio, but surely this is an upgrade on your usual headphone sound. The cheapest price you can get in this Beats headphone line. These headphones have the most balanced sounding and have enough low bass if you're into bass heavy music. Mids and highs is also okay. This headphone is not foldable and the included bag is a soft velvet cloth, so you have less protection when you put inside the bag. An overly long cable that is annoying sometimes. If only the cable they make is detachable is a big plus. Listening for hours on this headphone will make your ears feel hot. When most of the headphones today are geared towards wireless connectivity, Bluetooth and touch control, but these headphones still have the usual 3.5mm jack. Only advantage though is you don't need to charge this and will not run out of juice. The only drawback is the long cable of the headphone. So for the verdict, this is definitely a good buy for the sound quality and affordable Beats headphone you can get. Until next time, good buyers, subscribe.